want Nigerians to know about this, your latest engagement with the president today?
It's the usual normal engagement. I came to see him. I haven't seen him in a little while. I came to see him to exchange ideas, rub minds together as to where we are as a country, rub minds together politically, economically, socially, which is a continuous engagement for 4 years. And that's all this was all about.
Have you spoken on the state of security in the country?
We'll always speak about state of security because that's number one. We'll speak about the security situation. We'll speak about the economy. We'll speak about the politics of it all, and we have always at least he has a listening ear. And we profile ideas. He tells us his own views, and we come to some consensus one way or the other.
What exactly is this?
What?
Security, what exactly is this?
No, that's some of these things. You cannot be privy to them for now. We're still working on a way out. All I will always say, I say it all the time. Uneasy lies the head that wears the crown. The president is dealing with a very, very difficult situation, and he's as passionate as anybody else to bring it to closure. And we are here to help him bring it to closure.
Are there suggestions presented to him as regards the fight against insecurity in this country?
No, you are aware that the House of Representatives some time ago passed a resolution. We set up an ad hoc committee, a special ad hoc committee, which involves all principal officers and 30 other members of the House. And we're going to start that process into looking at different solutions, and we'll be bringing the report to Mr. President. He's fully aware of it, and he's open to anything and everything, and that will help us in coming to a resolution in this matter. Yeah? Thank you very much.